Hello and welcome to the Online Ambassador platform. How are you doing today? I'm sure you're enjoying the class. Well, my name is Ados Michael. They call me the Online Ambassador. Well, I want to talk to you about the steps you can take advantage of all the links I pasted on the group. So we have the one for frequent asked questions, and we also have the one that in case you want to volunteer for the UN online, you can also take advantage of that. And also for United Nations Volunteer Program, those are the links that I sent. This one again is maybe you, in case you want to commence creating your account directly at the new United Nations Human Rights Resources Portal. So we're starting with the first one here that talks about the frequent asked questions. All you need to do is to click on it. It will redirect you to the frequent asked questions portal for the UN volunteers. You can see recruitment. If you actually click on recruitment, you see it takes you to everything you need to know about recruitment. How will the updates UN volunteer conditions of service impact my UN volunteer assignment? All those you can actually have. All you need to do is to click on them, then you get full details, information on that, and you can load more so you can see more information. Okay, then the next one here is the United Nations Volunteer Talent Pool. You can also do what I'm doing is I'm right clicking, then open with another link. There is another browser column for browser. So you open it, it will go there. But you can also as well click on it directly, it will open. And all you need to do is to actually click on back if you want to go back. So it's just a simple thing I'm doing. Okay. So every information you need to know or you want to know is actually filled here. Also learning section, you can actually get that. I can open the certificate for the prevention harassment, all this blah 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 blah, everything you can actually get them just right here. Okay, so please take your time. UN volunteer, you can open, get to know the process, and once you click on any of them, it will give you not just write up but pictorial step by step on how you can go about that. You can see all that here. So it's very simple and straightforward, and you can also come down to type how can I volunteer for UN. Once you enter, it will query every parts of the whole portal where they have volunteers. So you can tell you, can I keep my current job and volunteer with UN? All those blah blah blah. Every questions you ask, there's nothing that you're looking for you cannot get. Okay. Now the next one here, outside the frequent asked question, is the link. Now when you use this link, it might not work. This will bring you here and start telling you stories, so you can just either click this one or you go to the next one. We actually say you can use this one here, so you click on it, it will bring you here, but because it's actually cleaning not secure because of the SSL certificate. The SSL certificate is the one you can see up here called HTTPS. So it's possible it's expired and they've not fixed it, or something is wrong, they've not really fixed it, but it's not a problem. So that's why we actually talked about giving you another link where we say okay, you should use this one. Okay, so when you click on this, it takes you straight to the UN volunteer section. Okay, now once you bring you here, you can take your time to read more, to get to know all this. All these are just normal updates. It's no big deal, it's not your concern, it's just updates that you get. Okay, everything here is called blog, so it's just normal blog posts. All this is actually just, you just want to read more about that, you can just want to read. So everything here, you don't have to worry about yourself with all this, but of course you can at your free time you can go and read, get to be acquainted with everything about them, but that's actually not your business. Your business is to come down here. Okay, this is the place I wanted to focus on here, this very section here. Okay, that's what I wanted to focus on, this very one here. Okay, that's what I wanted to focus on. All right, so what you need to do is to click on this aspect. All right, like this. So once you click on it, it will bring you here. You can actually get to see some inspiration in partnership, in action as well, with all the whole partners that are actually working with the UN. So you can see all that. But that's not also why we're here. Why we're here again is to actually make sure that we have this section here again. So you click on this section, all right, again. So click, it will now open. Now is for you to sign in if you already created an account, but you've not created an account, you need to do what? Click on what? Sign up. All right. So when you click on sign up, this very section here is where they will expect you to put your email. All right. So you put up your email here and click this very particular section that says send verification. Now they will send you verification to your mail, and that verification is something like this. So you copy just this 1 2 3 4 5 6 numeric number and come back and also paste it under that very place. When you say send, then you enter. It will now bring you to where you now start creating your password. You talk about your agenda, then talk about the name that you want to use, your surname, your date of birth. And once you're done with that, make sure you actually click I have read and accept the times and also use of the private policy before you click on create, because even this button cannot come up like this color until when all this information is created. So once you do so and click create, then they will now send you verification code, verification link to your platform. Okay, so where you can actually do all that. So I have done all that. So I've logged in and also so I've created account. So now let me go back so I can sign in so you can actually get to see everything that is there. So I've signed in to my account. Now once you do so, they will send you all this information right now. Yeah, this is what you wanted to do. So once you come here, don't worry about every other thing, about task, about any other thing here. Still focus on this section here. Okay, this section is where you focus on. So you click on the particular profile up here where you see this picture. So you click on it, then it will bring you to where you ask you to edit your profile. Okay, so you can actually edit your profile. So you click edit your profile. That's where you put up your name, the surname, the gender, date of birth, the email is already there. How did you hear about UN? You can actually talk about it maybe on social media or word of mouth. Correspondence language, you can actually choose if you speak French or anything. Nationality, well, Nigeria. So I choose Nigeria. Then current nationality, well, it depends on you. Some of them will get dual. Me, I only have one. This Nigeria. Legal residency, okay, it's still Nigeria. So you come down and actually add it. Then marital status, if you're single, divorced, married, anyone, but I am married, then you can actually come down. I am interested in serving as a volunteer. Now you click on this drop down to see if you want to select online assignment, on-site assignment. Well, really, I can't tell you what to choose. If you think maybe you wouldn't mind if the on site, which means they might ask you maybe to come to the office or maybe to actually work in anywhere or recommend you anywhere, you can do that. Online is, of course, they'll send you also any assignment for you to take online, then you can actually take advantage of it. I want to select this two for me. Now, do you consider yourself a person with with disability? No, if you consider yourself, you can just click on check. I don't consider myself as that. So now we have phone number. You can now decide to put the phone number, telephone or mobile, anyone you want. Then you can put your phone number right now. I have mine. All right, so that's it. Then passports, if you want, then you need to upload your passports. Well, the passport that I have, I don't know if let me just put this. Normally I'm supposed to crop it. Okay, I think I actually did a download for cropping to do that. So I have let me see, I think I have a download. Let me go to my download. I downloaded let me see. Okay, so this is a tool that I use to screenshot or crop anything I want to crop. Okay, so I have This is not part of the class, but I just want to crop that picture quickly so that you can see that you can also crop the picture. All right. So now I have this picture that I want to crop. All right. All right. So I want to crop this picture to make it passport like. All right. So that's what they ask for, passport. So I say yep. So I have a passport right now, so I can actually take that. So here, this is a passport. Then I can now save it in case you want to do something like that. Well, that's cool. So I'll go to it right now and I can see it here. So I have a passport that is here. Okay. So you can talk about closet city, airport departure, those blah 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 address. You can actually do that. So my address is let me get this my address C12 second floor back wing blah 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 Abuja, all those country Nigeria for life. All right, so put that there and click continue. Now they're saying permanent address. I say yes, copy the one that I have and add it there. So that's what I want. So emergency, if it is emergency, contact for emergency, you can actually say, okay, I have my wife, Marcus Solomon, okay, address, same address, country, Nigeria for life. You can do that, phone number, all that I can do that, okay. I'll put that there. All right, so but I'm not going to show you because I'm recording video. All right, so I submit. All right, so complete your candidate profile, submit. Are you sure you want to submit? Yes, I want to submit because they expect you to add so many information, qualification, IT, language, driver's license, all those. Yeah, if I have driver's license, you can actually put the driver's license description and all that. You can do that. Professional experience, referees, you can actually do that. Then UN volunteer may contact my current employee. So if you have one, you can actually connect that to say, yeah, they can actually do that if you want. Anyone you want, you can actually do that. Then when you're done, you click on what? Submit. Now, the reason why it's telling me compare is it's trying to show me that there are places that I have not, done already. That's why, and I don't want the video to be long. So you just need to fill all those stuffs. Of course, it's something that is easy, but I don't want to do that because my credentials is going to be showing everybody to see. So that is what they do. So when you're done with that, they will send you a mail saying, I think I saw a mail from them saying you have updated your, yeah, so they look at the mail, they will send you, thank you for creating a profile with United Nations volunteer. Thanks, Michael. Thank you for registering with this, blah, blah, blah. You know that you now have a profile, a candidate. This is your user ID. Please keep this ID because they can actually call you for any, verification or correspondence. So you can actually have that. The UNVP interface has also taught tables. You go to your dashboard. This is where you will actually see. So let me increase it so that you can see it very well. So the dashboard section, this is where you will receive tasks from the UN. There is one there already. That's what they're saying. Then this also here is we'll find the assignment currently advertised by the UN on site and also online. Assignment is part will become visible online when complete your profile and will stay empty until you are selected for an what? Assignment. Then explore. Here you will find the importance information about the volunteering with the United Nations volunteer. Then the unsent volunteering candidate also service the standard operating procedures and also resources such as guidance, blah 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 blah. We recommend that you start by doing the tasks, complete your candidate profile from the dashboard. A step-by-step guide is available here. Information on your independence and also the copy of your passport are only required if you are selected on site for United Nations volunteer assignments. Online volunteering is a format and therefore require less documentation. Here is some more useful information about the volunteer. I think what they're trying to say here on this section is in case I choose the online and on-site. So if you choose the online alone, you might not get all those informations they're saying you should fill. But if you choose both, just like I did, I think that's where you get all those long information. So it's actually up to you to see if you want to do that or not. So once you're done with all those, the dashboard section is here. You can actually see already this section, the DOASC, all those stuffs here, you can actually see them on site. So all these ones are going to be on site, while this is online. Okay, website development, so online and all that. So you want to know more about tech, more of like web development, social network, all those stuff that you might get to see an opportunity and you want to do that, privately chat me and I will put you through on the classes that we have so you can actually take advantage of it. Though those classes are physical classes, so you can actually take advantage of it. Okay, so any questions, again, please you let me know so I can maybe create a video or answer them for you. Thank you.